Hello, good morning. We are represent main group 2. Our group members are Pasantaraka, Nidulasas, Timan Hansaka, Ravidu Heshan, and Dinit Pramudida. Our first semester project is finding a new substitute for the clay mix. In the next slide, there has a main points in our project. Our aim is find a better alternative solution for the clay mix. Then it want to more sustainable than clay bricks, because clay bricks have many unsustainable properties. Also, they have some serious environmental problems such as oil erosion, air pollution, global warming, and increasing carbon footprints. So we want to find a substitute for the substitute for we want to find a substitute for this problem. Then in next slide we can see the ingredients for the clay bricks. There are silica, water, alumina, lime, iron oxide, and magnesia.
Now I'm going to explain about the properties of clay bricks. There are a lot of properties of clay bricks: found insulation, fire resistant, durable, terminal insulation, compressive resistance, density, color, absorption value are some of them. We all know the color of the clay bricks are red, and it has somewhat good absorption value like 20 to 25%. And clay bricks have much compressive resistance like 140 Newton per square millimeter, and there are 1000 Celsius temperature as fire resistant. Let's moving on how clay bricks are made. As the first step, we need to mining of clay, and after the transportation, clay should be mixing and molding. Then clay bricks should be drying and burning, and finally we can get burnt clay bricks as the main product. In this process, they are released carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide as emission gases, and we should supply clay, coal, water, and solar energy for main ingredients for all the procedure.
Next, we moving on to the uses and application of clay bricks. We can see many uses of clay bricks. Bricks are used to make kilns such as bakery foods, to make blast furnaces, and use for make stupas. And also we mainly use for make machinery walls, foundations, and columns. Furthermore, brick used for make houses cooler in hot climates. Next, we can talk about problems associated with clay bricks. Then clay bricks have some problems. In the first step in mining of clay, there have some problems: destruction of soil organisms and water springs, and also soil excavation and soil erosion. Next, mining and moldering step have increase in carbon footprint and global warming problems. In the next step is drying clay bricks. Here they have low efficiency and low standard quality. The last step have damaging lot of bricks, no tensile strength, and adding lot of dust to atmosphere like those problems.
As Dinit mentioned about problem associated in clay bricks, and then I talk about what are the alternatives for clay bricks. They are concrete blocks, cement blocks, eco blocks, dry ash blocks, drywall, modular cement compound block, steel wall sheeting, concrete wall. Now I mention alternatives for cement blocks. Cement blocks are clay bricks have similar properties, but cement blocks are more stable and higher quality. These reduce carbon footprints, desertification, and global warming.
Thank you, Ravindu. When we are moving to the discussion part, it is a very essential part of our project because our project name is finding a substitute. So here I'm concluding that clay bricks can be replaced by cement bricks. For that, we are discussing various properties of clay bricks and cement bricks. Sun dune simulation is have 50 decibels per 9 inches in clay bricks, also for cement bricks. Because of that, it is exactly the same in both bricks. Moving to the fire system property, it is 4 hour rating in both bricks when it is temperature at 1200 Celsius. The both are the exactly same. Because of that, their properties are exactly same. Moving to the durability, we can conclude that both clay brick and cement bricks are last over 100 years. But typically they last more than 200 or 300 years. Clay bricks have very durability, and cement blocks also have that. Compressive strength is bit low on cement bricks, but typically average of cement blocks are higher than clay bricks. Moving to the table, we can conclude that it is bit low on cement bricks, but because of the quality and standard of the bricks of clay bricks, they can be lower than cement bricks because a lot of clay bricks don't have a good quality. Moving to the density, cement bricks are higher than clay bricks. In thermal insulation, clay bricks have a little bit more thermal insulation because the conductivity is low in clay bricks than cement bricks. That is quite all right because cement bricks are covered with cement and other coatings when it is used in building construction sites. Because of that, cement blocks can be exactly perform as clay bricks when it comes to thermal conductivity and thermal insulation. Absorption value is a very good aspect of a brick because it should be below 25%. As we can see here, clay bricks and cement bricks both are very low absorption properties, like 12% and 15%. So we can conclude that it is quite all right to replace cement blocks from clay bricks. Moving to the next part. Most of the properties are exactly same in both cement and clay bricks. So bricks can be replaced by cement bricks. So in conclusion, we can say that it is clear clay bricks have very good building construction because it is used in stoop and a lot of constructions, but it has some very unsustainable properties. When it comes to building construction, it is very major effect in a global area. But cement blocks can be used as a better alternative because it performs exactly like clay bricks. Cement blocks have a lot of good properties, but clay bricks is not good. So sustainably speaking, cement blocks is very sustainable and it should be replaced with clay bricks. Thank you. These are our regular answers. Thank you and have a nice day.